Oh yeah.
What's up guys, I'm back again with another video for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a mukbang, my very first mukbang. Shocking, but I really wasn't gonna do a video today. Well, I was gonna do a video but not this, so I say, well, let me do a mukbang. So yeah, I'm having homemade. Everything here is homemade. So I'm having nuggets, burger. I think the burger is a chicken patty, lettuce, cheese, mayonnaise, and honey mustard ketchup. And the fries is homemade as well. It's kind of burnt, but I really feel for like fries, homemade fries. It wasn't really cut out properly, but whatever. And I have my homemade sauce right here. It is basically ketchup and mayonnaise mix. So, and I have my drink, some Coca-Cola. So if you guys are new to the channel, you guys like, share, and subscribe, and then we get into the video. So yeah. This is really weird eating in front of you guys, but so how are you guys doing? I don't really have a topic to talk about. I know how are you all taking this COVID-19? If any of y'all are safe. And comment down below what is your favorite thing to eat, like any fast food restaurant, like what's your favorite? I don't know how mukbangers do it, but this is really good. With my sauce, so I can get a bite in this burger. I really don't want to be messy right now, so I'm trying to keep it classy. I'm really sorry if I'm talking soft. This is really good. I did the fries and the sauce, and my sister did everything else. She made the burger and she made the thing. I don't want this video to be too long, so I forgot to bring a napkin. Comment down below what is you guys' favorite soft drink. Guys, I'm going to be dropping videos for you guys back to back. So do not worry, I will be posting. I think I'm supposed to do another video today. Why am I dancing? I'm currently by my sister right now, so if you guys are wondering, like, why I keep switching backgrounds, it's because sometimes I just be up by my sister. This is normally Like the first spot I go to when I'm up here, which is the guest room. This food is so good. I even want to talk. I should have think of a topic to talk on. This is so good. I haven't ate anything. This is my first meal for the day. And it's like, I forget, I don't know what's the time. So I just feel to try something new, like a mukbang. But if you guys like me doing mukbangs, comment down below. Probably I could do more on actual fast food instead of homemade.